Welcome to Gadgets Middle East, and here is our review of the 2021 MSI GP76 Leopard. The new variant comes with upgraded hardware and an overhauled design, although it is a bit more on the heavy side compared to the other gaming laptops we reviewed. In terms of design, the GP76 has a low-key and unassuming exterior without much of the aesthetics of a gaming laptop except for the sharp angles at the back. It looks more of a sleeper and is well-designed gaming laptop without being over the top. The housing is made of aluminum and high-quality matte plastic. The body and the display panel are sturdy and well-built, and there is no flex. The MSI GP76 Leopard is equipped with a good set of ports. On the left, we find a Type A USB 3.2 Gen 1 port and a combo headphone/microphone jack. On the right are a pair of Type A USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. The remaining ports are located at the back, between the two airflow vents. Also located here is the proprietary DC in port that resembles a USB connector. There is no support for the Thunderbolt 3 interface. In terms of cooling, MSI GP76 Leopard uses the most expensive version of the Cooler Boost 5 technology. There are a total of 6 copper heat pipes that distribute the heat through the 2 fans. 2 of them focus on the CPU, while 4 others on the GPU. The cooling system of the MSI Leopard 10UG works well. Temperatures are never too high, even on load. The hinges hold the lid firmly, and the lid can be opened with a single hand without any issues. The 17-inch matte display has thin bezels and houses an HD webcam and microphones. The full HD 1920 by 1080 17-inch screen uses an IPS panel with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and color coverage of 100% sRBG, which makes it great for gaming as well as content creation. The display features thin bezels, and on the top bezel is a full HD webcam capable of recording at 30 FPS. Although there is noise in poorly lit environments, the camera quality is generally good. The display offers a brightness of 300 nits and a contrast ratio of 1200:1. The screen displays good colors, and the maximum brightness is good enough for well-lit rooms, but rather difficult in bright outdoor environments. The viewing angles are glare-free and comfortable. The MSI GP76 has a per-key RGB LED backlit chiclet keyboard from SteelSeries. The RGB can be customizable via SteelSeries engine application, and the intensity is adjustable. The keyboard layout is standard and comes with a dedicated numpad. The typing experience is good, and the keys are soft and have a long travel. It offers a very quiet typing experience when working in office spaces or cafes. Even though there are no dedicated buttons for quick access, the function keys can be used for this with different combinations. Below the keyboard and slightly to the left is the touchpad and has separate physical left and right clickers. The trackpad is smaller than standard but comfortable, precise, and easily identifies multi-touch gestures. Our test model is equipped with a 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10870H processor and 8 cores with 16 threads and a maximum clock frequency of 5 GHz. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM and 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM in dual channel, which can be further upgraded to 64GB. The GPU, in combination with the Intel Core i7-10870H, provides an excellent gaming experience with FDH resolution at maximum quality settings in most games. It can run most modern games easily above 100 frames per second on very high settings with zero stuttering or lagging. See the below chart for the rest of the benchmark numbers. The MSI GP76 Leopard has a 65-watt 4-cell li-polymer battery. On a full charge, based on the usage and screen brightness, the laptop lasts for about 4 to 5 hours. When browsing the internet, you can expect around 4 hours of battery time. In terms of audio, there are 2 2.5-watt speakers powered by Nahimic 3 software and is high-res certified. The sound is of decent quality, but as with most gaming laptops, we recommend using a headset. With a well-designed chassis, the MSI GP76 Leopard is a real powerhouse and comes packed with good features. A 144Hz screen, powerful GPU and CPU options, plenty of ports, and upgradability. Some of the drawbacks are the average speakers, the lack of SD and Thunderbolt ports, and the upgraded hardware is let down by the use of last-gen Intel processors. The MSI GP76 Leopard is also more of a portable desktop replacement rather than a laptop for gaming on the go. With that said, the MSI GP76 Leopard is a real powerhouse and comes packed with good features. The main highlight is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 that runs at 140 watts in maximum mode and provides slightly more graphics performance compared to throttled variants.